And Assalamualaikum to the lecturers who are watching this right now. Today I'll be presenting about my code for traffic light for junction. So let's get started. First of all, we set value of port 0, port 1, and port 3 as the output since we are using three ports in this traffic light. So firstly, I have to explain that there are 4 sets because one set represents one traffic light. So this set is the first traffic light, second traffic light, third traffic light, and fourth traffic light. So in this set 1, you have the green, yellow, red, green, yellow, red, green, yellow, red, and green, yellow, red. But I'll be explaining how it actually works. First of all, set 1 and set 2 is connected to the same port, which is port 0. And as we know, we wanted it to be first of all red. So for that I'll explain about the position of the LED so that you understand it better. So first of all, for the P 0, 0.0, 0.1, 0.2, and 0.3, 0.4, and lastly 0.5, this one will be red, and this one will be yellow, and this one will be green, this one will be green, this one will be yellow, and lastly will be red. So in first case, we wanted to red, yellow, green, green, yellow, red, and the red would be all light ups. So light ups meaning that value of 0 means light up, and 1 meaning that it does not light up. So red, yellow, green, we want red to not to light up and yellow, green to not light up. So put 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. And then since we are focusing on set 1, we have to separate this first. So this is set 2 and this is set 1. So this is set 1. We are focusing on set 1 first. Then we want to the green on the set 1 to light up. So the value for set 2 should remain constant. So we are setting the value of green to light up. Green of 0, 1, 1. And this means green. And 1, 0, 1. This means yellow. And finally, we set it back to the lower state, which is 1, 1, 0, which is red. The value of the set 2 should remain constant because we will want the red to always light up. Now that we got this value, we can convert this to the hex value so that we can know the value for set 1 so that it can convert to green, yellow, red on the microcontroller. Now moving on to the set 2, we know that set 1 should remain constant because we will only want the set 2 to be changed. So this is going to be 1, 1, 0. And since we want set 2 to have green to light up, so this is going to be 0, 1, 1, and it's going to be 1, 0, 1, and lastly we want the red light up, so 0, 1, 1. So this is green, this is yellow, and this is red. The value on the set 1 should always remain constant. So now that we got the value for set 2, we can now find the hex value. And if you convert this to the hex value, you will get something like this. For set 1, this is going to be 0, 1D. For this one, it's going to be 1D. And lastly, it's going to be 1E. And for this one, the green should be 0.36. So it's just 36H. And this one is just 2E. And the last one is just 1E. Great, so now that we got all the value for set 1 and set 2, the thing that I did for the configuration for the set 3 and set 4 is that it is put in the same port, which is port 1, but the configuration is the same as port 0, meaning that set 3 and set 1, they almost have the identical value, so that the hex value for the set 1 can be used for set 3, and the hex value for the set 2 can be used for the set 4. So this is what we do. We take the value of set 1, which is 1B, 1D, and 1E, and we set it to the set 3, 1B, 1D, and 1E. So the value is the same. For the set 2 should be the same too, 26, 2E, and 1E, 26, 2E, and 1E. But the only thing that differs here is the port here, which is this one to be port 0, and this one should also be port 0, and this one's going to be port 1, and this one should be port 1. And since we are all set now, we just have to use the timer now.
So for timer, we use 7-segment display to show how much time left for green LED to still light up. So every time green LED finish light up and red LED light up, timer will be reset from this value, which is 7. So initially we start our timer from this value 7 here at this line, move B, which means this line means we assign B value with 7, and then we assign value A with 7 here, and then A assigned into B, which is 7, and then we access the value of 7 from DPTR to display number 7 on our segment 7-segment display. And then yes, we display the value by using this line, which is access the value for port 3, and then this process repeating until B turn to 0, and then when B turn to 0, we access the value of 0 to A, and then the 7-segment display will access the value of 0 here and display number of 0 at port 3, and then after we display number of 0 at port 3, we then reset the value of 7 and then return, so that after a process of one traffic light cycle finish, so it will start here again with a value of B equal to 7.
So this one should be the set 1, and this is the set 2, this is the set 3, and this is the set 4. As you can see here, the set 1 right here is connected to the port 0, and this set 2 here is connected to port 02, and this set 3 here is connected to the port 1, and this set 4 is also connected to the port 1. So this moves from set 1 to the set 3 to the set 4 to the set 2 and back to the set 1. So the program will repeat until the program ends. So this is going to be showcase of the one whole cycle. As you can see here, the traffic light works, and that's it. Thank you for watching.